Welcome to Sunshine English. Learn English tenses. Learn future continuous tense. We use this tense when we talk about some actions that will continue for a set period of time in the future. Let's do some examples. Sentence number 1. I will be swimming in a pool in 2 hours. In future continuous tense, first we use I, subject, plus we use will be. Will be is a helping verb of future continuous tense, plus we use verb with ing. Here is the structure. I plus will be plus verb with ing. Let's do more examples. They will be enjoying the party on Sunday. She will be driving a car in 2 weeks. We will be graduating next month. Now let's do some negative examples. Negative sentences. I will not be taking a nap today. In negative sentences, we always use not between the helping verb, between the will be. Or you can use the example in this way. I won't be taking a nap today. Won't is a contraction of will not. Let's do more negative sentences for your practice. He won't be taking this class. We won't be going to Europe this weekend. I won't be making this cake for you. Interrogative sentences. Will you be attending this meeting this week? In interrogative sentences, we always use subject between the helping verb, between the will be. Plus we use verb with ing form. Now let's do more interrogative sentences for your practice. Will she be joining us tonight? Will they be working on this project? Will he be buying this new bike this year? Now, it's your turn to test your knowledge. I'm gonna give you some examples and you have to find the mistakes. Let's get started. Example number 1. I will eating burger tonight. Find the mistake in 5 seconds. Time's up. Did you find the mistake? I mentioned earlier, will be is a helping verb of future continuous tense. That's why we use I will be eating. The correct sentence is here. I will be eating burger tonight. Second sentence. She won't be spend time with me. Find the mistake in 5 seconds. Did you find the mistake? The mistake is here verb, because in future continuous tense we always use ing with the verb. That's why we use verb with ing. The correct sentence is here. She won't be spending time with me. Will be you coming back to London? Find the mistake in 5 seconds. Did you find the mistake? The mistake is here be, because in future continuous tense in interrogative sentences, we always use subject between the helping verb. The correct sentence is here. Will you be coming back to London? Alright guys, I hope you learned this tense. Keep practicing. You can do it. If you love this lesson, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And check out other English lessons and grammar on my YouTube channel. Keep learning and have fun.